Welcome to our educational video on the grounded theory approach in qualitative research. Grounded theory is a research methodology used to develop theories based on data. It involves a systematic process of collecting and analyzing data to generate new insights and theories. The principles of grounded theory include constant comparison, theoretical sampling, and theoretical saturation. The steps involved in using grounded theory include open coding, axial coding, and selective coding. Let's look at an example of grounded theory in action. In this study, researchers used grounded theory to explore the experiences of cancer survivors. By using grounded theory, they were able to develop a theory that explained the psychological resilience of survivors. In grounded theory research, coding is a crucial process that helps analyze and interpret data. The first coding strategy we'll explore is open coding. Open coding involves breaking down data into meaningful units and assigning codes to them. Next, we have axial coding, which helps establish relationships between codes. Axial coding allows researchers to identify patterns and themes within their data. Lastly, we'll explore selective coding, which involves selecting a core category to focus on. Selective coding helps researchers develop a comprehensive understanding of their data. By mastering these coding strategies, you'll unlock valuable insights in your grounded theory research. Start applying open coding, axial coding, and selective coding in your research today. This video is curated by Dr. Philip Adu, methodology expert at the Center for Research Methods Consulting.